Alright, so another common question we get asked all the time is about crankcase vent tubes. As you see, this is where they are in the engine. Allows your crankcase to ventilate, and I'm going to show you how to take it off and how to put it on. So the easiest way to get it off is basically just use a little rubber mallet and tap on it all four ways until it comes loose. It's just in there pressed, so it's easy enough to kind of wiggle out of there and comes out. And then putting it back in is just obviously the opposite. In this case, you're just going to tap it in there slightly. It's just a press fit. It bottoms out and then it's tight and it's never going to come out. Back to the four different styles we see here. The gold one on the far right is a 280ZX, a little bit different than the 240, which is the chrome one next to it. And then the longer one usually comes out of the 4-cylinder versions, very similar to the 240. Has that 90-degree elbow for another vacuum line that goes to your carburation air cleaner. And then the straight tube here is off of the 280Z, and then the long one with the little 90-degree, most commonly found on the L20B, also seen from time to time on the L18. So there you go, 4 different versions. We do have plenty of these for sale. If you're interested, just give me a call, let me know. It's not included when you buy a motor, but it is definitely something that people don't know how to get off, or they are missing, or they don't even know how to put it back on if they do have them. So now you know. Any other questions, give us a call. Again, this is where they go on the side of the block. Easy to see that there, that black one. Alright, again, my name is Al Allen with California Datsun. If you have any other questions about engine related issues, give me a call, and thanks for watching.